Hello everyone, this is Amit. Welcome to another video about Notepad++. Today we are going to learn how to install plugins in Notepad++. Now, Notepad++ comes with many incredible plugins to really extend its capabilities. And by default, these plugins are not installed. Notepad++ usually comes with 2 or 3 plugins already installed. But you can easily install any plugin with just a few clicks. So this tutorial will show you how you can add plugin and how you can install it. So in order to install a plugin, all you have to go is under plugin menu and go to plugin admins. Now, if you have a older version of Notepad++, you may not have plugins admin menu item. If that is the case, you may have to install plugin manager first, and for that I might do another video for that. But this assumes that you already have plugin admin. Currently, I'm using Notepad++ version 7.9, and if you go to the Notepad++ website, you can install this 7.9 or anything after that, and it should have the plugin admin. Alright, so we go to plugin and go to plugin admin, and the plugin admin window usually have 3 tabs on the top. The first one is an available plugin. That means the plugins that you can actually install. It is not currently installed in your version of Notepad++ yet. The next tab is about the updates. So if you have a particular plugin and if there was an update about that plugin, it may show up here. Now currently it doesn't show anything, so most of my plugins are already up to date, or it doesn't need any updates. And then the last one, or the last tab, is actually the installed plugins. And so you can see currently I have 4 plugins, and we are going to install some more today. So in order to install a particular plugin, actually you can see there's tons of these plugins, and you can spend a whole lot of time to review many of these. These are incredibly useful, and I have tons of plugins. For the sake of simplicity, I did not have all the plugin installed in this version of Notepad++ that I have. But we are going to try 3 plugins. But before that, as you go through these plugin list, if you would like to know what this plugin does, you can click on it, and it actually gives you a brief description of this plugin. And so each of these plugins have some form of description or some information about it. Many of these plugins also contains the web page, and so if you would like to know more about it, you can actually copy this web page and open it in your web browser, and then you can know exactly what it is doing. So with that, let's try to install maybe 3 plugins today, and we'll see how it goes. So 3 plugins that we are going to use today or install today will be the Explorer plugin. Now Explorer plugin is basically a file explorer plugin for Notepad++, and it basically brings the file manager right from Notepad++. So you don't need to open your file browser and select files and come back to the Notepad++ and so on. So it'll create a nice explorer in a sidebar. The second plugin that we'll try to install is NppFTP, which means a Notepad++ FTP, and it's basically plugin for you to connect to the FTP server and work off the FTP server and pay files on that. And finally, we'll also look at the preview HTML plugin, and this is incredibly useful plugin if you are doing some HTML web development, because you can see your HTML page right from Notepad++, and so you don't need to go back and forth between a web browser and Notepad++. And I already have a video regarding that, so I have linked that in the link description or the description of this video, so you can check that out. Alright, so let's start. So let's go to our plugins, and plugin admins, and we'll just search for Explorer. And as you can see, as I'm searching, it automatically narrowed down the search. And so the plugin that I'm interested is right here, Explorer. So I need to check this. And as you can see that there is a little bit of description right here. Now I can click install here to install it, and once I click install, Notepad++ will ask to restart in order to install this plugin. Now I can do that, but what I'm going to do is I'll install all three at the same time. So since I have selected that, I'm also going to select NppFTP, and it will be somewhere here. It's right here. And the last one that I'm going to install is a preview HTML, and it should come right here. So I have selected Explorer and NppFTP and preview HTML, three of these plugins. And so now once I click install, it will be able to add these plugins to Notepad++. So let's go ahead and do that. And as I said, it will ask you to restart your Notepad++. Now at this point, if you are working on a particular file, it is better to save that file and then let it restart. Usually Notepad++ is pretty good with opening the same file without losing, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So make sure that you save all your documents that you're working on and then you restart. So since I don't have any of those documents open currently that needs saving, so I'm going to say yes. And as you can see, it is actually installing all three plugins in the background. And now actually that's about it. We just installed 3 plugins in Notepad++. So how do I check that, right? And so in order to see those plugins, you have to go to plugins. And now I can see Explorer, NppFTP, and preview HTML. Many of these plugins that we install also add some kind of icons right on your toolbar. So if I'm looking at here, right here, there is a preview HTML toolbar, which if I click on it, it actually gives me a preview, and actually I can attach it to my right edge of Notepad++. And now if I have an HTML page, it should show the preview of it. So I'm going to close this, and then you can see there it also puts some other icons for the plugins that we have installed. Now not all plugins add these toolbar icons, but some of them do. So make sure you check for it. Now if you go back to plugins, again there is a number of options out there, and so you can check those out as well. Now the main idea of this video is how to install Notepad++ plugins. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about each plugins, but you can actually check these out, different options. Same with the FTP, the one that we created or installed, and then even preview HTML. And so as we just noticed, it creates these plugins, and it also creates some toolbars, icons on the main Notepad++ application. So that's about it. We just learned how to install Notepad++ plugins, and we also use 3 examples to actually see how we can do that. So make sure that you use this. It's incredibly useful, and there are tons and tons of Notepad++ plugins out there which can help you become a better developer. And so that's about it. If you guys made it this far, I hope you like this video. And if you like it, please click a like button or subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And please make sure to add a short comment in a comment section. Thank you very much. Bye.